Now we're going to do plaid and check. So for the plaid, you're going to use 2 to 3 colored pencils, and for the check, you're going to use 2 colored pencils. For the plaid, you want to paint the background color of whatever the color of the garment is. So in this case, it's kind of a brownish, purplish, mauve color, light wash, and then a little darker shadows. So I've done that both for the plaid and for the checks. So I'll start with the plaid. You want to draw the general pattern of the plaids that you want. You want thick lines, thin lines, skinny lines. And then for the check, of course, you probably wouldn't do this on the same garment, but since I've kind of run out of places to demonstrate, he's going to be wearing stripes, plaid, and check. So again, it's like a checkerboard, and you want to bend with the body if the body is bending, and generally they're going to be squares equal distance apart in pencil. Then for the plaid, you can take one color, you can make a thick line, and another thick line over here as it kind of goes off the page. Then you can have a horizontal curving around the body. Where they overlap or intersect, there's going to be a color change. So this is kind of a red and a blue. So it's going to make a purple. Going to make some curved, pretty thick lines going around the body. And then I could have a vertical, very thin line with the same color, red. And then if I wanted to add a third color, I could add a purple. Up to you, any color combination that you think goes well together, but it's intersected lines going around the body to create a plaid. You might want a skinny purple on either side of this blue. Up to you, not too many. The garment's going to be kind of small, so you don't want too many complicated lines. For the check, just like a checkerboard, every other square you're going to fill in. Where the garment is shaded lighter in the background, you can press less hard, or you can add white. So here it's shaded lightly, so I'm not going to press too hard. Here it's shaded more heavily. I can press harder. Then you have the option later, up to you, if you want to outline and add another dimension, if you want to outline your checks, and that goes for the plaid too, if you wanted to add a third or fourth element to it by adding your pigment ink line. Okay, so that's the plaid, and then that's the check.